how to turn on notifications on Wayfair. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn it on. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right bottom, you can see this account button. Simply tap on account. So, we're in this account settings. Here, you must slowly scroll down. Here, there's a section called updates. Simply tap on updates. And here on the top, simply tap on push notification. So this is the place where you can customize and turn on the notification. Simply tap on go to settings and here turn on notifications. Here you'll be able to find different categories to the notifications also. So it's up to you and you can select the one that you want to enable. At last, simply go back and it's done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.